Hello, in this video we'll talk about cleaning your sacred items. So everybody knows about the smudging that cleans off negativity and everything else. But what happens when it physically gets dirty? Well, what I do, if it physically gets dirty, if it physically gets dirty, I make a cedar tea. Now with the feather, you put it in here, squeeze it out, and it shouldn't burn your hand, but then you just lightly wipe the feather. Don't scrub. You're going to treat it just like a little baby. You're going to be very gentle. You're going to slowly stroke it the way it goes, to follow the feather lines. You just keep on following the curves, natural curves. Don't try to force them down. Go with the curves ever so lightly. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the stuff that I started getting off this feather. So that's how you do the feather. Set that aside for a second. I'll smudge it. A little bit of wind out here, so the smudge is really going. Now for rawhide, your shakers and everything, you're going to ever so lightly brush them. You don't want to saturate it where it'll soften up again. You just want to wipe it, wipe your stick, wipe your leather a little bit. And that's how you do that. Smudge it again. Now for a roach, in this case, so roach, so you're going to use your hand. You're going to brush up on the one side. And you're going to switch, just like a little baby. More. Basically, if you can't put your hand in here, and if it burns your hand, it's going to be way too hot for your items that you're trying to clean. So just a nice brushing. Same way with your eagle feathers here. You don't want to saturate it, you just want to clean off the dirt a little bit. Then of course you smudge it. There. So basically, you just use cedar water and ever so gently wash it. I hope you take care of your sacred items. Thanks for watching.